Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a new nail art tutorial with you. As you see on the screen, it's simple and can be done in just 2 or 3 steps. So let's jump right into the video and get started. I have kept today's tutorial in straightforward and easy to follow format. So let's dive in. Start by applying a thick layer of gel polish, ensuring to cover the entire nail as shown on the screen. Do not cure it under UV light here. We will create the design first. Now take another gel polish. I'm using blue, but feel free to choose your favorite color. Create a diagonal line starting from the corner of the nail, just like you see on the screen. Now using a toothpick, we will create the design with thin lines. Make circular motion along the line, moving from the middle to the edge of the nail to create the pattern, just like you see on the screen. Repeat the process on the other side of the line to ensure symmetry. Keep it simple and even for stunning results. After finishing the design, cure it under UV light for 30 seconds. Next, add dots around the outline of the design using a toothpick for extra effect. Once done, cure it again under UV light for another 30 seconds. This will help set the dot in place and complete the look. After curing, apply the top shiny coat all over the nail, then cure it under UV light for another 30 seconds. And your design is complete. Isn't it beautiful? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in future. Thank you so much for watching and for your support.